Madam Guinea. Madam Guinea! Were you pregnant?
I'm sorry, Mama.
You are sorry? How does I'm sorry answer my question? Were you pregnant? Did you conceive in your womb?
Yes.
Really? And you lied to me. I asked you, you said you were just having May fever. And Madam Guinea, I even saw you taking the drugs. And you lied to me you were not pregnant.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Madam Guinea, so you didn't trust me enough to open up to me. Instead, you went behind to commit this evil act that you did.
Mama, I am sorry. I was scared. I didn't know how to tell you. And I didn't want to break your heart.
You didn't want to break my heart. This heart. You didn't want to break it. Now you have broken your life. Madam Guinea, you have broken your life. Madam Guinea, I named you Madam Guinea. Yet, Madam Guinea, Madam Guinea. Hey! This girl. You've lost your womb. You see, the way you are now. In fact, Bart is even better than you. You are not a man. You are not a woman. A woman without womb. Are you a woman? Just look at how you have ruined your life. Eh? Hey! Hi. How do I face people? What will I say? Hey! It's okay.
I'm sorry. I didn't want to hurt you. I didn't know how to take you. That's why I did it. I'm sorry.
What are you doing here?
Babe, I came for us to sit and talk.
I have nothing to discuss with you.
You're my fiancé.
Thank you for reminding me that. That is your ring. I have lost interest.
Come on, babe. You can't return my ring because of a minor mistake I made.
A minor mistake? Now you listen up. A mistake is an unconscious act. But what you did was intentional.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Now you listen up, right? The next time you walk into this office, I'll call the cops on you.
Come on, babe. We can still sit and talk this out.
Make use of the door, please. Thank you.
Babe.
You don't want to go? Get out! I don't want to raise my voice. Get out. Oh, the ring. Please, take it out. Take it out!
I have ruined my life. I I've ruined everything.
You have to stop saying that to yourself.
But that is the truth and you know it.
Madam Guinea, you have to stop seeing things that way. God has the final say.
You don't understand. I don't expect you to.
Please, stop crying.
I have lost my womb.
We're in this together. I promise to stick by your side forever.
You don't get it, do you? Have you been listening to me? I won't be able to bear you a child.
Says man. But God has the final say. Listen, I promise to be by your side. No woman will come in between us.
You promise?
I promise, Emeram Guinea. I promise with my life. Please. God has the final say.
You know that fool came visiting today? At the office.
For real?
Yes.
Are you kidding me or something?
What
did he
else?
say?
What else? If not to come apologize. If only he knew that I have gotten over him so soon, like ASAP.
So soon.
Babes, you know me. You know me, I easily get irritated. And to be honest, he's beginning to irritate me.
I'm happy for you now. Strong woman.
Babes.
My baby is a strong woman.
To be honest, the discussion about love is not for me. I just want to be focused, you know, mind my business and make more money.
More money, baby.
Yeah.
You know what? There's this saying that every disappointment is a lesson.
Lesson learned, of course. So we should cheer to that.
So, where do you expect me to get such an amount of money from? That's huge.
Mama, all my years in school will go to waste. All my efforts will be in vain if I don't do my clearance and get my result.
Can't you secure a job? Pending we were able to get money and do this clearance stuff.
Mama, why are you talking like this? How do I get a job when I haven't done my youth service?
Maybe we should sell that plot of land your father left for us.
Mama, that's our only land.
I know. But that's our only hope. We can equally buy it back if we're able to do the clearance and you secure a job. Because there's no how we can get that money from anywhere. 100,000 naira is what we're talking about here. Who will give it to us?
I don't understand why things are this difficult. What's going on?
What do we do? What do we do? What are you going to do now? What do we do?
My customer. Enwe m egusi, enwe m ọha, enwe m rice and stew. Normal stew. Okay. My brother, you check the cat. You need really to check it. You need very necessary. For one plate. 200 naira. What a rice gonna for all no. You gotta go to the squawker. Go. Hey, no boy. Film the TV. Eta marula ya too much. Ya mbebe gikulam. What when did you?
I'm on that isi abu.
Ya ko no chi.
No.
Like from our head. Eta kazi da ro. Hey. 300. Yeah, you can know.
More obviously you get it.
About Abu Mumero with those. Jerry preaching again, you keep the yard.
An hour.
Biko. Hey! Rice city demand, rice in the channel. Rice in the rice man, not restaurant. Why are you doing this, Ejizoma? Why do you want to sell the only land your father left for you? Why?
Gini, what do I do? What do I do? My mother does not have. She cannot help me. I need to do my clearance. I need to go for youth service. I need to get a job.
So that's why you want to sell your only piece of land. How much are we talking about?
100,000.
Just because of 100,000. I'll try my best.
Are you saying you will give me the money?
Do you have a problem with that?
But where are you going to get the money from?
From the business that I do. You know I'm a hard-working girl, and I've been saving. I just don't want you to sell that piece of land. Please.
How do I thank you? Thank you so much. Gini, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for everything you've been doing for me. I appreciate every single thing. How do I pay you back?
You don't need to pay me back. All you need to do for me is become a graduate and then get a very good job.
Then we can be talking about you paying me back. After all, we are one.
Hi. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you. Thank you.
Then what are we doing?
Baby, please forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Ben, first off, you don't need to kneel for me. I'm not God. So stand up.
No, I'm not going to stand.
Listen. If you want us to have a decent conversation, you have to stand up.
Baby, I will stand up if you forgive me.
Just stand up. Okay, now let me make this clear to you. All right, Ben, I have nothing against you. All right? I only just understood that cheating is in your DNA. Infidelity runs in your bloodstream. So, we do not have a connection together. All right? I know you are here because you feel that I'm going to collect everything I've given to you. Hell to the no. Nah. You know I'm bigger than that. Now let me mark this as a note of warning to you. The next time you walk through that gate, I will get you arrested. And I'm not kidding. And that's on period. Matthew!
Baby.
Matthew!
Madam.
The next time I see this nitwit in this compound, I will arrest both of you. Am I understood?
Come on, baby. It has not got into
Now get out.
I'm sorry. It has not got into
Get out! Shit.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Idiots.
I'm really sorry.
Echezona!
Mama?
So when are you traveling?
Ma?
When are you traveling?
Next week.
How? Were you able to get money? How manage? I don't understand. How?
Guinea supported me with all her life savings.
What? Guinea gave you money?
Everything she had.
Hey! God. That girl is a beautiful soul. She's a God sent. God, may you bless her. May you reward her.
Amen.
When she will look for such a help we are looking for today, may you grant her.
Amen.
Hey! Have you seen it now? You have seen it with your 2 eyes. Don't forget her. Don't forget that girl. If you forget the good people did for you today, you will not see anyone tomorrow. Did you hear me?
Mama, that's the promise I made to myself.
Good.
I'll never forget her.
Good. See, today, carry it at the back of your mind. Because you know your friend with situations like this.
I'll never forget her, Mama.
What is it? My heart. Your heart? What is wrong with your heart? Mama, Steve is checking me. Hey! Your heart! Mama, just hold on. Let me go and get it. Let me get up. I'm coming. Oh! Help! Yeah!
I sent for you this morning, I didn't see you. What happened?
I'm sorry, sir. I was busy in the office.
Okay. Blessing! Blessing! Give me the letter. For you.
Sir, I've been sacked? Why? What for? What have I done?
Your service is no more needed in this company, please.
Sir, no. Sir, this is not fair. What have I done wrong? You and I know that I need this job.
Go and settle with Madam Esther first. Before anything, okay? Good day.
Sir, please. Sir, what have I done?
What is it? Mama, I want to see Echezara. Is he around?
Eche!
No, HM has gone back to the city. What is the problem? Eche has gone back to the city. What is it? Mama, my mother is dying. My mother, I came to meet Echezara so he can...
What is wrong with your mother?
I don't know. She's not feeling fine. Mama, I'll come back.
She said her mother is dying.
She got me in the feeling down. Hey, baby.
You're welcome. What is it? You don't look good. You have been sacked?
Exactly what is on there.
But why? What did you do? How?
Because I broke her heart.
Because you broke her heart. And what does that have to do with your job?
She found me the job. The owner of the company is her friend. Have you seen what she has to do with the job?
Oh my God. This is not good at all. Hey.
My dear, your mother is suffering from heart problem and needs to be treated immediately.
Heart problem?
Yes.
Treat? What are you waiting for now? Just treat her. Doctor, please, I do not want anything to happen to my mother. I beg of you. Please, just treat her for me. Please.
We need the 100,000 naira.
100 what?
1,000 naira.
Where am I supposed to get that kind of money from? Doctor, that's too much now. That's a whole lot. Okay, doctor, why don't you start the treatment while I run around for the money? Please.
I'm sorry we don't do that here. We don't do it at all. We have run tests on her. So now we need deposit to commence treatment immediately. Please. Please, just look for the money, okay?
Thank God I met you here. I was about to come into your place.
Let me understand. What did you say that happened to all your money?
Uncle, this question you keep asking me all the time. I come to ask you for help. I told you I gave all my money to Echezonam so he can do his clearance.
You see your life? The same Echezona that almost made you to lose your life. You carried all your money to...
Uncle, please, he's my fiancé. If he was in this village, I wouldn't even come to ask you for this help. He would have just given me the money.
Fiancé. Has he paid anything on your head? Even Shishi, has he brought
leave this talk, please. My mother is dying. Let her just go now, Let's stop chasing this shadow and go and solve the problem at hand. Please now, because help me with this money.
You see?
50,000.
You see? Where you will have to invest money to solve problem has surfaced. But now you have taken all your money to Echezona. Not to worry. I have only 30,000 naira. You can go elsewhere to get the balance, to get the rest.
30,000?
So,
thank you.
Only.
That money will go a long way. In fact, my problem is solved. Uncle, if I take that 30,000 and add to the one I have and give to the doctor, they'll treat me better. I can't be looking for the 20,000. Please, let's go now.
Okay. If he says so, let's
go.
Also, that will. And one of them goes.
Let's go.
And they want me to make the doctor. I'm not running. They want me to make the doctor.
What about Ben? I've officially ended up things with him.
You did what?
Yes. The last time he was here, I told him that if I see him anywhere close to me, I am going to get him arrested.
You know what, Esther? You're a strong woman. I envy your strength. So, what are you going to do now?
On relationships? Yes. Babes, from now henceforth, I'll be dating myself.
Hello.
Hi.
Come on, you're too harsh on yourself. You don't have to be punishing yourself this much.
That is what you call it. But I call it living my best life. I mean, I am living a life where there is no stress, no cheating, no heartbreak. Because that's what these men do. They cheat on you and leave you heartbroken. But baby girl, I'm living my baby girl life. my best life.
Hey! Esther, you know what? You're going to reconsider very soon. I promise you that.
Really? Get your ass in the car.
You need to fall in love again.
Voila.
Get yourself a man. Nurse, has lady come here yet?
Doctor is yet to come.
Ah, okay.
Doctor,
Here she
please,
is.
I have the money. I have the money, please. I was able to raise 50,000 naira, please. I beg you. Help me.
It's not complete.
I know, doctor.
You
Don't
have to go and make it complete. You have to complete it. Yes. We don't do that here. You have to go and complete it. That's it. Okay? Doctor.
Mama, I am doing everything possible to get the money the doctor requested for. But I'm only able to get 50,000 naira and he has refused to take it from me.
And doctor, it's okay. You're really trying. I know that God will provide for us. Yeah? If I still have life to live, I know that God will help me. But if my time is up, may His will be done.
Mama, please, stop talking like this. Nothing will happen to you. I am here for you and you know it. Please stop talking like this. I beg you. Go.
It's okay, my daughter. No matter what happens, I want you to be strong. And like I told you before, no matter the misery, no matter the pain, no matter the heartbreak, no matter the disappointment, never you take your life by yourself. No matter how hard life is.
Sorry.
There's always light at the end of the tunnel.
Mama, I have heard you. But nothing will happen to you. Let me run around and complete the money so I can give it to the doctor. I need them to start treating you. Okay. I'll be right back. Yeah, I will. I'll be right back.
Okay. Let him in. Yeah. Oh, you're welcome. Please sit.
Good day, ma.
Yeah, sit down.
Ma?
Sit down.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you're the core member since this company, right?
Yes, ma.
Alright, ask the secretary to direct you to the manager's office. He'll give you a job description.
Ma, I should ask the secretary to direct me
To the manager's office, yeah.
You're not the manager?
I'm the CEO.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I'll do just that. Thank you.
Alright, welcome.
Thank you, ma.
Yeah.
Hi. Oh God. Why is he not picking up now? Hey, pick up your call, please. Pick up. Why is he not picking his calls? Hey! God. Where am I going to get 50,000 naira from? Extra 50,000. That's a whole lot. Eh? Even though you're busy, just pick up. Why don't I go to Chinelo's house? Maybe she'll be able to give me the money. Doctor, I have the money. The 100,000 naira you requested for, I have it. Please take the money.
Please, let's go in first.
Doctor, why do I have to go? There's no time to go in. This is the money you asked for. Just commence the treatment on my mother. Please, should I drop it?
Calm down.
Okay, I'm calm.
You came a bit late.
What do you mean by I came a bit late? This is the money you asked for. This is the money. Please, let's go, my mother.
You have to calm down.
I'm calm, doctor. Just come, let's go. Please.
I'm sorry, your mother is dead. Just have to calm down, okay?
What did you say? My mother?
Yes.
Mama! Come!
I'm done with the document, ma.
Okay, good. Nice. Please, work on these.
What should I do, ma?
You will see them once you go through the documents.
Oh, okay. I'll be with you shortly then. Thank you.
He's so cute and handsome. Jeez.
Esther, focus. Focus.
Who did you leave me for? Mama, you left me alone in this wicked wood. Mama, Mama, what is life without you? Mama, because no. Mama. Get up! You shouldn't be doing this. Get up, no! Mama, no, get up! Mama, Mama,
Mama! Mama! Emerem, stop! Mama! Stop! It's alright. It's alright.
Mama! Mama!
Babes, you need to see the call member that was posted to my company.
What about him?
Everything. Listen, he is everything and more. Everything about him seemed right. Girl. Ha! This guy is not just brilliant, he is cute. Pardon me to say, he is a beautiful man. Like, he is handsome.
Hello, excuse me. What? Wait a minute.
What?
Don't tell me you're dying already.
Come on, girl. Who wouldn't? This guy is... Not what you're thinking now. Girl, I am done with men. It's just that the guy is handsome. He is brilliant. He is...
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
IGIT Shipping and Logistics sent an email.
Okay, forward it to me.
Okay, I'll do that right now.
All right.
Thank you.
Girl, I told you.
God.
Period.
Guy is cute.
I told you.
You're a badass girl.
You are badass, girl. Oh my goodness. Forget about him. So, where are we going to lunch? I'm hungry. That guy. It's okay now.
Your mother will be angry with you wherever she is right now. Knowing that initially you have all the money to save her life, but you lavish it on a man or the man.
Oh, I love him. He's my future husband.
Men are supposed to spend on women and not the other way around. Eh?
Uncle, I'm sorry. I didn't know my mother was going to fall sick.
That's why we save for the unseen. Because there could be emergency anytime.
Uncle, helping him was part of the emergency as well. I thought I could...
You had thought to just send your mother to her early grave. Huh?
I know I owe my mother apologies. That was what I was trying to do before you came. I don't know if she can ever forgive me. But I just want her to know that I am sorry. And I miss her so much.
Well, it's alright. It has happened already. And we can't reverse it. I just want you to know that anytime that you have a problem, consult me. I will help out the much I can.
Thank you, Uncle. God bless you.
It's alright. You are my daughter and equally my responsibility. It's alright. Stop crying. Huh?
You know, that guy is really phenomenal. Trust me.
You're still talking about his versal.
I know how positively he has impacted in our company since his arrival.
Wow. That's too much in one. He must be unique actually.
Yeah, he is. He is actually.
Esther, why not retain him?
Retain him as a permanent staff after his service here?
Exactly. I'm hungry, please.
Buy your rice, my brother. You want rice? Okay.
Rice, beans, plantain.
Only you? Right, I'm only.
Kile kachatia kachata kutania kutena.
Ndani kama mwanadamu. Kwa nini wao kama mwanadamu? Ima mkilinda kwa raka wishipu chini. Ni kutena. Haya si wani acha jichi.
No get leather. Even pure water.
No verse. Because the man can't feed you now. Go enjoy, my brother. This one I'm a challenge rice. Rice see to match. And I want rice one you charge out our body. Buy your rice better.
Sorry.
Yeah.
You sent for me, huh?
Yes, please sit.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Yes, I learned that your service here is coming to an end.
Yes, ma'am. It is actually.
Alright. Here is your appointment letter. So we're retaining you officially as a staff in this company.
What?
Yes. You've worked for it, so we need you here. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you so much, Ma.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. I appreciate everything you've been doing for me. Thank you so much. I promise to give my best.
You have been doing that for the company. I mean, it's wise for the company to retain you. You're brilliant. Okay, we want you here. The company is happy with you. I am happy with you. So, you're welcome to the company.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I don't like it. Please don't do that.
Thank you very much,
Please,
Ma.
please, it's okay. You're worked for it.
Thank you.
It's fine.
I promise not to disappoint you, Ma.
I know you won't.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
It's okay. Just go back to your work.
Thank you.
Get back to work.
Thank you.
It's fine. Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you, Ma.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
How are you doing?
I've been good.
Are you okay? What's wrong? You don't look happy. Is everything okay?
Mama is dead.
Hey! How? What killed her?
She was sick. She had heart disease.
Oh no. But wasn't she taken to the hospital?
I did. I took her to the hospital, but there was not enough money to continue with her treatment and all that. So, we lost her.
May her soul rest in peace. Please accept my condolences, okay?